Many people are bringing their own devices into work, and while we hear that causes problems, it also offers an opportunities for companies to develop their own custom apps. Blink Mobile's Darren Bestgrove says this is where his company can help out.
Yeah, Blink Mobile has a hosted service that we provide to large enterprises that allow them to deal with all aspects of mobility right across their organisation.
Can you translate for business people what a hosted service means?
Sure. It means that it's hosted in an existing web centre environment, which means that they're not having to install and manage and maintain software themselves. It runs in our hosted solution.
What kind of mobile trends are you seeing out there now in the business world?
Where we're coming from and the market that we're addressing is where large enterprises maybe have built their initial app or two, maybe customer facing, but what they're now finding is when they're dealing with business partners or contractors or staff needs, different departmental needs, they can't continue this building of multiple apps, and running it through a platform environment such as ours allows them to make all these mobile services available to all these different groups, but manage it from one central location.
When you talk about mobile apps, are you finding organisations now custom designing apps for their staff, or are these apps they purchase from an app store?
No, we're talking about custom designing. We're talking about work tools, not apps coming from an app store. We're talking about how do I interface into my timesheeting system, my HR system, how do I run my asset management solutions, how do I allow my staff to spend more time in the field working on whatever device they've got, a tablet or a phone, and how do they interface back into the business systems and become more productive.
How are you dealing with the challenge of BYOD? Because many organisations deal with that challenge. If people are bringing non-standard devices into the workplace, what does that mean for you guys?
It actually suits us perfectly. I mean, our platform, because we work cross-platform, so we don't care whether it's a BlackBerry, an iPhone, an iPad, Android. Our platform, we're platform agnostic, so we can deliver universally to all those devices, even up into larger screens such as kiosks, internet-based TVs, really anything that's not your typical keyboard, mouse-driven PC environment is fair game for us. And all these new channels are all coming at the enterprise, and they've got to have a way to deal with them.
What do you think is the most challenging thing out there in the market that companies have to deal with in terms of mobility today?
In terms of mobility today, I think that the most difficult thing they've got to deal with is figure out how I rein back in what is quickly becoming an app outbreak as I continually throw bespoke, iPhone or Android apps at specific point solutions. And we're finding organisations getting to that point where they might have 1, 2 or 10, and they're on a tipping point that says, this is just not sustainable.
And what kind of sectors are you seeing demand for this service come from? Is it private sector or government mainly?
Interestingly for us, government has led a lot of what we've done. Local government has been a huge supporter. We've got state government clients now, we've got federal government clients, but now the enterprise is starting to sort of roll through. Airports are a client, mining companies, typically large organisations where their back-end systems are very complex and they're dealing with a very diverse customer or staff sort of mix. Universities is another interesting area for us as well.